This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video.
So guys, this is what the air purifier looks like, and what you can do is you pull out, so pop the top by pulling back and then lifting up, take off the front cover. Please make sure you remove, as it says, this plastic that's around the air filter. Okay, so once you take that off, you're going to put the black facing backward, and you're going to have this facing forward, and make sure you push this in the whole way, just like that. All right, so you're going to have your power button right on the side here, and it's nice lit up. You just tap that. Over here, you're going to have your different settings. Automatic mode, or you can have fan speed, 2, 3. You can lock it. You have your timer over here. Wow, that actually pulls in a lot of air. So it doesn't, okay, so those are just for looks. I was curious if there's any filter behind it. So it's just pulling in air off from the front. Pulls in here, blows it out the top. It's actually very powerful. I like this. It's just a sleek unit. Of course, you guys can take these camping or anywhere you want to go. Take it for your cabin, just use a power station like this. That's all we got. Automatic mode will automatically decide based on the air quality. And of course, you guys can see more in your manual. And for those wondering, yes, the filter is carbon activated. So activated carbon filter. And while it's going to be hard to see, down in here, you can kind of see that green. Let's see. So there's a light underneath here that just gives it a nice little feel to it. So at nighttime you get to see, so green is good air quality, so that's a plus. You also have your child lock right here, timer, filter reset. So when you change your filter, you use this to reset the filter. Right there. Just an atmosphere light right there. I like this. This is nice and sleek.